Hey guys, welcome back to Lauren and Sam. Sam is actually at Bear Lake this week, so I thought it would be a fun video to just do like a cleaning vlog. So I'm going to be cleaning my friend's closet. Hey guys. So this is Scarlett and she's going to be helping me. It's actually her closet, but yeah. So let's start. Let's do it. Okay, so you guys obviously just saw the picture of her closet. It's a little messy, but that's why we're cleaning it, so her mom doesn't get on her about it anymore. But, so yeah, we're gonna start by taking everything out. When you're organizing and cleaning something, we've told you guys, like, in the past, like TikToks and everything, it's easier just to take everything out. So that's what we're gonna start with, okay? So we just got done emptying, how do you say that?
Emptying
out the whole closet. So it looks really good.
I literally could sleep in here.
Yeah, it's
Look
so
up
big. Okay, wait, Scarlett has a story to tell you.
Okay, so basically, when I first moved in here, I had these like markers and makeup, and I drew a picture up there, and it's been up there since I was like 4 years old.
Guys, you want to see the picture? Oh gosh, I don't even know if I can. Can you see it? Oh my gosh, it's right there. It's so funny, but yeah, this is okay. So now that we got everything out of the closet, we are now going to just basically go through everything, and whatever doesn't fit her or she doesn't want anymore, we'll get rid of, and then we're gonna like go through all the bins and fold everything that needs to be folded. So yeah. Okay. Hey guys, so it is cleaning day 2. Last night we could not finish everything because there's way too much stuff. Like here, let me show you guys. It's so bad. And we only got the clothes in there, and we organized
PJs.
one basket with PJs, and then like our memory clothes are up there, but we'll do like a full detour when we put everything away. But yeah, it's currently 2:06, 2:08. So yeah, let's see how long this takes us. Okay, so now we kind of got the closet, oh my gosh, I'm shaking so much. We kind of got the closet like done, but not all the way. So we'll show you guys. Actually, we're not gonna show you because it should be like, yeah. And then we're gonna, so we're gonna do the desk now because we put like a bunch of stuff on it and it's a mess. And then we have this stuff to do. So yeah, her room is still a disaster, but this part's clean.
This part's super clean.
Yeah, it looks so good right here. But yeah, so, we're gonna keep on working. It is 3:23 right now, so we got done pretty fast with like kind of finishing the closet. So yeah.
I think if it took us 1 hour on this side of the room, it should take probably half an hour, 30 minutes, or an hour to the other side. So.
Yeah. But
Okay, so this is the closet. It literally is so clean. We even have an empty one right here. So this is where we store my PJs and stuff like that. This is the summertime clothes, and this is the winter. Then in here is my backpacks, and we just like have all my bags in there. Down here we have pillows and blankets, which you can find the video of how to fold blankets on their TikTok. And then we have these bins. I'm probably going to be switching out to different colors because they're kind of just like, I don't know, vibing over here. But in here is like cards and diaries and stuff.
we know what's in each bin. It doesn't look like gorgeous, but like, at least it's decluttered now.
And then beads and phone cases. And in here is my hats.
Mm-hmm.
And then in here is my nail supplies, gel nails. And then up here in this one is a bunch of like, kind of just like my tiny trinket toys. And
Miscellaneous stuff, yeah.
Yeah. And that is my seashells that I collect. And then over there is more toys, squishies, to be exact. Yikes.
which
But-
she should have gotten rid of.
But I didn't. But then stuffed animals and old memory clothing that has like just logos on it from old things.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the closet.
And it looks so like more like, if you didn't see like the before picture, it was little scary.
Like there was even stuff down here, even under here, but now there's like nothing up here except my camera stuff. So it's all cleaned out.
Yay.
Okay, so then here is the dresser. If you're wondering how we organized anything in here, you can go watch it in their other YouTube video. So these are all my socks. These are the underwear, Spanx and bras. And then in here are all of, sorry that, but shoes, stuff like that. These are like more my, not, I don't like
Shoes
wear
that-
them
yeah.
as often shoes,
Yeah.
but in there. And then in this one is all of my pants, and I love how this looks, how they're all just like rolled up like this. It looks like a store.
Yeah, it's so organized. So make sure you go check out our other YouTube video because you can get drawers just like this.
And then in this one are shorts, leggings, Adidas pants,
And sweatshirts.
sweatpants, sweatshirts.
Yeah. Just a lot of like kind of extra clothing that she had.
And then in here are my belts. Here are some tights, but swimsuits and extra t-shirts. But yeah, so we use boxes to divide them up so they're like not just like in the drawer, which you can either use like old shoe boxes or you can even use like just Tupperware, things like
Yeah.
that. So let me sit up. Okay.
Hey guys, so as you guys can see, we finished the room and it looks so good. And this girl's not called taller than me, she's just sitting up. Anyways, so we finished the room and I'm really happy with the turnout. It literally took us so long though, like I'm so tired.
I think like 5 hours yesterday. 5
Yeah.
or 6 hours yesterday, and then 3 or 4 today.
Yeah, so if you're gonna do this type of project and you have a messy like closet, make sure you like have it all day, like from morning to night. Anyways, so make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button, and yeah.